LEAGOO seems to be working on a new phone which is clearly inspired by the iPhone X. Two real-life images of this handset have just surfaced, and the phone will allegedly be called the LEAGOO S9. Having said that, these two images are actually quite clear, and they give us a rather clear look at the phone itself. Now, this handset does look an Android version of the iPhone X, though unlike the iPhone X, it sports a rear-facing fingerprint scanner. As you can see, the upcoming LEAGOO S9 does have some bezel around the display, though those bezels aren't all that thick, though this phone's screen-to-body aspect ratio is definitely not as high as the essential PH1s or LG V30's screen-to-body ratio, that's for sure, though you can't really expect anything else as this phone will be considerably more affordable than both of those devices. In any case, the upcoming LEAGOO S9 also sports an iPhone X-like notch, and the display comes with rounded corners. The device will be made out of metal and glass, as you can see, and all of its physical keys will be placed on the right, which probably means that its SIM card tray will be included on the left-hand side of this phone. When it comes to the phone's rear-facing cameras, that setup also resembles the one on the iPhone X quite a bit. There are two, vertically aligned, cameras available there, and in between them you'll notice an LED flash. Those two cameras actually protrude on a bit, as is the case on the iPhone X. LEAGOO's logo is placed on the back side of this handset as well, which is also clearly visible in the second image down below. Having said that, our source did not share any spec info when it comes to this smartphone, but you can expect this handset to be quite affordable. It will either be an entry-level or a mid-range smartphone, though chances are we're looking at a mid-range phone here. The device will probably be fueled by one of MediaTek's processors, and you can expect to see at least 3 GB of RAM on the inside, though we're only guessing at this point. We'll have to wait for more info to surface. LEAGOO seems to be working on a new phone which is clearly inspired by the iPhone X. Two real-life images of this handset have just surfaced, and the phone will allegedly be called the LEAGOO S9. Having said that, these two images are actually quite clear, and they give us a rather clear look at the phone itself.